Hi, I'm Professor Mark Cashin, and I'm just preparing this short video by way of introduction of myself. My apologies for not having been able to attend the induction day last Saturday. I have 27 years in industry prior to moving into academia, and I've worked with large multinational organizations in various roles, from technical right through to middle and senior management. I will be delivering the module on reflective practice in the workplace, which I'll go into a little bit more depth in this presentation shortly, as part of the Higher Diploma in Leadership. And I look forward to meeting you all face to face on the 12th of October, I believe. So these slides are essentially a synopsis of the material you may have already received in your induction handbook or your course handbook as such. The module descriptor, which describes the reflective practice in the workplace, focuses on a number of key areas such as emotional intelligence, your leadership style, and underpinning your overall reflective capabilities, which should enhance your leadership capabilities throughout your career. Importantly, it's designed to improve your self-awareness and indeed your own self-knowledge, which through the module we'll use as a benchmark for you to be able to identify your progress over the course of this particular program. Some of the indicative syllabus, as we've mentioned already, is the role of emotional intelligence and professionalism and so on, how it works inside an organization, its intrinsic value to leadership, and of course self-awareness, developing your own self-awareness. Who are you? What kind of a person, what kind of a leader, manager are you? And indeed leadership and followership styles. And fundamentally all of these separate, almost unique psychometric tests form a whole picture of yourself, giving you essentially a benchmark from where to develop. The assessment, as I mentioned, will be a battery of these simple tests, not too many of them. It's not too onerous, and they're pretty straightforward, taken at your own pace and so on, and culminating in what we would call a reflective journal. So you'll take some of the assessment and critique it for yourselves. There's no right or wrong answer in this. This is pretty much straightforward and an exercise for you to get to understand who you actually are, as opposed to who you perceive yourself to be. So again, I look forward to delivering these topics over the coming weeks, and look forward to engaging with you further.